back to Go for the Call. Today we are going to be unboxing the Supercharged Creeper. Now, this is the Series 3 edition. As you can see, you can collect the Zombie Pigman, Snow Golem, Witch, Steve with a minecart, and Alex with diamond armor. Take a look closer look. Let's get to the unboxing. Here's the obsidian. There's the creeper spawn egg. Pretty cool. It actually looks like in the game, doesn't it? Comment down below if it does. Now for the main thing that we're all here for. The Charged Creeper! Oh, what? This is, what? No, that's amazing. This leg fell off, though. What's up? Oh, you can make it supercharged and unsupercharged? Eh? What is even happening? Oh, you gotta build it. Okay, let's build it. Let's build this. Okay, sorry about that. Goodness grief. Goodness grief. So here we go. The Supercharged Creeper. Let's put him on the obsidian that we can see him. Here we go. So you can take off his mask and make him a regular creeper. And you can also take off his feet, and I think you can take off this, but I'm not so sure. I'm not going to try that out. Let's put this back on. Yeah, there we go. That's today's edition for Go for the Call. Obsidian, Creeper, Supercharged version, and the Creeper spawn egg. Hope you like this video. Comment down below. Subscribe. And stay tuned for more Go for the Call videos. Hope you like it. Bye.